The third and final day of what has been an epic Rally Chile. 4 stages and over 50 kilometres still to run, and it's Tänak who leads coming into this final day. The Estonian in his M Sport Puma taking a steady approach to this morning's opening stage. 4th fastest, but he didn't need to push or take risks. Winning this rally is now the goal. His lead, 52.3 seconds.
Yeah, tricky stages, very tricky stages. So yeah, let's say first loop is tricky on these ones.
Things were hotting up in the fight for second though. Thierry Neuville in third was storming through stage 13. He topped the timesheets to go a full 4.8 seconds faster than his Hyundai compatriot Teemu Suninen. The gap between them now just 9.8 seconds, and Suninen knew he had to do better.
How was the stage for you?
Not good enough.
What can you do?
Try faster.
Things improved a bit on stage 14, but Suninen was still slower, this time dropping 2.4 seconds. The gap now just 6.7. Neuville taking another stage win. The Belgian was on the hunt for that runner-up spot.
I had a good stage actually, but it's very difficult sometimes when the rear is very loose. You cannot go with the speed you would like, but we did what we could.
We all expected an onslaught from Elfyn Evans to drag himself back into contention today, but it wasn't happening. The Welshman really struggling with road cleaning and not able to mount any sort of challenge. He remained on course for 4th overall.
I mean, it was very loose in here now. It wasn't the best run, to be honest, so yeah, it's very loose here also, so the cleaning is massive.
Stage 15 now, and Chile had another surprise up its sleeve, this time for Teemu Suninen. In what has been a brilliant drive for the Finn, he was on course to be the top-scoring Hyundai. His rally came to an end when he clipped a rock hidden on the apex of this slight right, ripping the front corner clean off the car. His rally was done. That handed second place to Neuville and brought Elfyn Evans back into a podium position. Meanwhile, Tänak continued to manage his drive, 4th fastest through stage 15, and with a lead of 44.6 seconds, he remained on course to take his 2nd win of the year. On to the power stage then, and it's been a steady weekend for Takamoto Katsuta, the Japanese driver bringing his Toyota home in 5th overall. Meanwhile, Kalle Rovanperä celebrated his 23rd birthday today with 4th place overall and 5 extra points for winning the power stage.
Yeah, definitely not the best week for us. Yeah, I felt the weekend was quite difficult already from the start. Being a bit handicapped with the starting place really cost us a bit the whole weekend, and then yeah, also not the best choices made.
Elfyn Evans ruining that day 2 double puncture. Had that not happened, he would have been right in the fight. He was confirmed in 3rd overall, 24.8 seconds behind Thierry Neuville. The Belgian capitalising on Suninen's off to take 2nd place overall. After struggling so much for pace on Friday, the runner-up spot was a welcome result.
An eventful weekend for us, to be honest. It didn't kick off so well. Got better during the weekend, but a couple of highs and lows and very stressful before the last stage. I couldn't fire up the car, so we were for minutes trying to get the car going, and suddenly just I jump started and it kept going all the way through. So I'm happy to be here, but an eventful weekend for us, and obviously sorry for Teemu, he was doing a good job, but yeah, that's racing.
But critically, Neuville was slower than both Evans and Rovanperä on the power stage, and that was enough to hand Toyota the 2023 Manufacturers' Championship.
I'm very, very delighted, yeah. One time as a driver in Toyota Gazoo Racing and now 3 times as in the team principal. So it's pretty amazing, I have to say.
He did it last time we were here in 2019, and he's done it again. Tänak unbeaten on Chilean turf. The Estonian got the hard work done on Saturday with a masterclass in tyre management to confirm his 19th career victory.
it's great to finally have some positive outcome. Obviously, thanks to mechanics, and everybody in the container who came here. We were really a small bunch of people, but they did a great job.
So, Toyota are your manufacturers' world champions. Next up, an all-new tarmac test as the crews head for the Central European Rally, crossing borders between the Czech Republic, Austria and Germany. Can Kalle Rovanperä wrap up the Drivers' Championship, or will it go down to the wire in Japan? We want to know who has been your star of the weekend. Get your comments in.